One country that has been hit hard by this hurricane.
Yeah, it's affected Haiti. It's also affected the Jamaica and Cuba, now making its way through the Bahamas right now. The storm has lost quite a bit of strength as it made landfall a couple of times, but it's still a Category 1 hurricane. Now just south of the Bahamas right now. That storm is also moving off to the northeast about 16 miles per hour. Top winds are at 90 miles per hour when it made landfall in Jamaica yesterday. Top winds are up around 185 miles per hour, so it's lost a lot of steam, but still soaking the Bahamas right now. The good news for the U.S. mainland is that storm is going to stay out over the Atlantic and not make landfall anywhere in the U.S. Meanwhile, here at home today, low pressure sitting over western Tennessee, spreading some clouds and rain across central Indiana. Some heavier downpours across Kentucky, and I think we'll see some of those heavier downpours down over the southern part of the state this evening, and we'll keep that rain and gusty winds going, rotating around that area of low pressure. The clouds and rain kept us cooler today. We saw the high make it up to 54 after a morning low at 47, and right now we're at 47 degrees. A northeast wind at 20 miles per hour. Wind chills at 40 right now, and the visibility is about 4 miles. So a couple of challenges out there with the wind and rain making it more difficult to see. Today was the 7th day of the month for the winds to gust over 30 miles per hour here across central Indiana, and we kept our temperatures in the 50s for us this afternoon. For the next 4 days, we're going to stay cool. The average high temperature now down to 60, but we're going to be in the 50s on through the weekend. But I'm also tracking a warm up that's going to come our way next week. Now, overnight, we'll find the low temperature a little bit cooler in the 40s for tonight. And tomorrow, around that area of low pressure, we'll find the winds gusting around 20-25 miles per hour. We'll keep the wind and rain going on through the morning hours, but the rain is going to be ending west to east across the state tomorrow. And by late tomorrow afternoon, we'll get to some sunshine with the heaviest rainfall over the southern and eastern part of the state, expecting less than a quarter inch of rain here in the city with a high temperature in the 50s tomorrow. In the overnight forecast, we'll keep the gusty winds and rain going down to a low temperature 43. Most of the rain is going to be south of Interstate 70. The rain will end during the day tomorrow, the high at 52, and skies will clear in the afternoon. In the 7-day forecast, dry weather coming up on Friday with a high at 56. Good news for the trick-or-treaters on Friday. Some patchy light rain on Saturday, the high at 55, then dry on Sunday, and that warm up comes our way next week. Next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we'll get the high back in the 60s.